Okay, so this is a sketching exercise, and what we want to do is we would like to produce preliminary sketches in Rhino for this building. It's a bit of a weird building, doesn't have a lot of walls, and you could potentially go onto this kind of roof structure and fall off, but that's not the point. The point of this exercise is to just get the idea of some preliminary sketches. So what we're going to do is we're going to do two separate floor plans. So as you can see, this is the what we'll call a ground floor slab, so it's on the ground. There's some stairs that go up to a first floor slab, and the first floor slab has some openings in it. So what we want to do here is we want to, in order to do the ground floor slab, we want to cut a section and look down. So we'll cut a section across this point, which is about, half a meter above the ground, and we'll look down. So that'll be, and we'll show all of this structure on that plan, which is the ground floor plan. Then we'll go up and do a first floor plan, and that first floor plan consists of a slab, a hole in the slab, and a stair. And for this one, again, we're going to come about half a meter above the floor. We're going to cut a section, and we're going to look down. But this one's going to be slightly different, because when we look down, we don't want to see anything more than about half a meter below that slab. So when we show the first floor plan, we will not see the ground floor. And in actual fact, we won't see anything below this point here. And this slab also has edge beams, which we're going to show on all four sides. And what'll be interesting is how to show the stair on each of the plans and how to show this void. And remembering that the void is on the first floor plan. And when we think about a void, we think about the fact that as you walk around this slab, the void is where you jump down. A void is where you jump down. So that's what we're going to show.